Hello, I am Jackie Vernon Thompson, owner of Youth Empowerment Village. We are so very grateful that you are considering contributing to our organization. We teach children ages 10 to 17 all about public speaking, effective communication, proper etiquette, and financial literacy. This program is absolutely free to all of our students. We depend on donors such as yourself to step in and help us financially so that we can help our children be transformed. Every class we teach, every program we have, every year, our children transform completely, gaining confidence in communicating with others, communicating a message to an audience, and just being confident overall. So we thank you so much for considering. We ask you to please donate the funds to us. Not only do we teach our students public speaking, effective communication, professionalism, and financial literacy, of course, etiquette. We also prepare them for a trip to the capital, which is Tallahassee. They will visit the capital, the building, for 4 to 5 days. They will interact with state representatives and senators. They will learn what it takes to run a state. They will learn what it takes and how you determine the bills. They will learn from the leaders of their state and understand that they too can be in such position. This is one of the things that your contribution will make a reality. Help us to help our youth move forward in a confident way and be successful socially and professionally. We thank you so much. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.